Director of Public Prosecutions DPP Noordin Haji has vowed to ensure that public officials facing corruption charges step aside from office until they are cleared. Haji argued that the officials' continued stay in office is a threat to the cases since they are likely to intimidate witnesses or tamper with active cases. The tough-talking Haji stated that he is determined to go to the Supreme Court to get a ruling which will ensure no official goes back to office even after being released on bail. I have been fighting to ask those people we have been charged to step aside. They must step aside, and that is in the Constitution, and it is a right that we must have. We are not pleading. We charge you, you step aside and we will go all the way to the Supreme Court if we have to get that ruling, he vowed. He cited Migri Governor Okoth Obodo, who is facing a murder charge and is back in office after meeting bond terms. As Kenyans, you will blame us that we have taken some governors to court. We have charged them, but they are now back in office. We have charged 2 governors, one for murder and another one for corruption. Now they are walking outside there intimidating and threatening witnesses, especially those working in their counties, he said. Mohammed Swazuri of the National Lands Commission is also back in office despite taking plea in a corruption-related case. Haji spoke at a conference organized by the Multi-Sectoral Initiative Against Corruption at the Bomas of Kenya in Nairobi, also attended by Attorney General Paul Kihara, Director of Criminal Investigation George Ginotai, and the new Ethics and Anti-Corruption Commission Chief Executive Officer Treb Mbarak. The newly appointed EAC boss pledged to work closely with the DCI and the DPP to eliminate corruption in the country. The conference will continue Friday, with the representatives from the judiciary expected to speak on corruption and how they plan to handle corruption-related cases as the war against the vice intensifies.